is the reverse case. Product is constant. If the product of the variables is constant, if the product of the variables is constant, sum will be minimum. Sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. When the variables are equal. If the product of the variables is constant, sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. It is the reverse case. Sum will be minimum only when the variables are equal. A cube is 27, A will be 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, answer is nothing but 9. 9. You cannot take, if I decompose A cube minus 27 equivalent to 0, that A square plus 3A plus 9 discriminant will be less than 0. That means the roots are imaginary. A into B into C 14, that means A cube is 14, A value will be 14 power 1 by 3. Sum will be minimum when the product is constant and the variables are equal. Answer is 3 into 14 power 1 by 3. 3 into 14 power 1 by 3. I hope the idea is clear. Again, sum will be minimum when the product of these three is constant. 4A into 49B into C, which is 196 into A into B into C is 14, which is 14 cube. Sum of these three is minimum only when the product of these three is constant and the variables are equal. That means 4A will be 14, 49B will be 14, C will be 14. 14 plus 14 plus 14. Answer for this question is 42. Sum of these variables is minimum when the product of the variables is constant. 4A into 49B into C, it is 196 into 14, which is 14 cube. 14 cube means each value should take 14. 4A is 14, 49B is 14. Right? So what you do is, you make this only as B, otherwise unnecessarily irrational values you will get it. So sum of these three, 9A into B into 16C, which is nothing but 12 square into AB, C is 12 cube. Product of these three is constant, that means sum of this will be minimum when the variables are equal. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Answer for this question is 36. I hope the idea is clear. If the product of the positive variables is constant, sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. Sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, clear, right? Now, another advanced level question, 17th, 5 and 6. Fifth one I will solve. A square B cube equivalent to A square B cube equivalent to 6. Minimum of 2A plus 3B. 2A plus 3B. Degree of A is 1, but in the question degree of A is 2. Divide into two parts, A plus A. Degree of B is 1. Degree of B is 3. So minimum of A plus A, I will write it here, maybe you will not be able to see. A plus B plus B plus B plus B. Is it clear? Now, 2A plus 3B. Now let us see what is happening if I multiply A square B cube equivalent to 6. That means product of this variable is constant when the sum is minimum. That means what will each one will become when the sum is minimum. I hope it is clear, right? Minimum of A plus B plus B plus C. So each will become, how much it will become? All are equal. All are equal means x power 5 equivalent to 6. X is 6 power 1 by 5. X is A or B. So answer is 2 into 6 power 1 by 5 plus 3 into 6 power 1 by 5. 5 into 6 power 1 by 5. This is the answer. 2 into 6 power 1 by 5 plus 3 into 6 power 1 by 5. Why I made it into this value? Degree of A is 1, degree of A is 2. 2A divided into two equal parts. Degree of b is 1. Degree of b is 3. 3b divided into 3 equal parts. A plus b plus b plus b. Similarly, sixth question also, we will solve it in a new slide. Right. So a square b cube. Degree of a is 2. Here it is 1. So it is minimum of a plus a. Degree of b is 1, but in the question it is 3. So it is 5b by 3 plus 5b by 3 plus 5b by 3. I hope you have understood why I am writing like this. Then I will write it at the top so that you can see it. A into a is a square. 5b by 3, 5, 25, 125 divided by 27 into b cube. A square b cube is 27. Cancel. 125. Totally how many variables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are multiplied. So x power 5 is 125. X is 125 power 1 by 5. What is x value? X is nothing but a is 125 power 1 by 5. 5b by 3 is 125 power 1 by 5. From both of this you will get the answer. From both of this you will get the answer. A value 2a you will get it and 5b. Answer is 5 into 125 power 1 by 5. 5 into 125 power 1 by 5. All the important concepts we discussed. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Sum of the variables is constant. Product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Product is constant when the sum will be minimum. Right? Last but not very, I think this question also we can solve. A cube into b power 4 is 36. Degree of a is 1. So divide it by 3. 4a by 3 plus 4a by 3 plus 4a by 3. Degree of b is 1. But in the question it is 4. So 9b by 4. 9b by 4. 9b by 4. 9b by 4. Clear, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I multiply all this, x power 7 is 4a by 3 into 4a by 3 into 4a by 3. 4a by 3 whole cube into 9b by 4 power 4. So it is 2 power 6 by 3 cube into 3 power 8 by 2 power 8 into 2 square into 3 square. So it is 3 power 7. So x is 3. What is x value? 4a by 3 is 3. 4a is 9. 9b by 3, 4 is 3. 9b is 12. Answer is 9 plus 12, 21. I hope it is clear, right? 9 plus 12 is 21. Totally what all concepts we discussed? We discussed all these concepts. The extremely important concept. AM greater than or equivalent to. AM greater than or equivalent to. GM greater than or equivalent to HM. AM greater than or equivalent to. GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Suppose if I take A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN as the positive real numbers. AN as the positive real numbers. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equivalent to. Geometric mean is always greater than or equivalent to harmonic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is the sum of the quantities by the number of the quantities. Greater than or equivalent to. Geometric mean is the nth root of the product of all the positive real numbers. Harmonic mean is the reverse of arithmetic mean. N by 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. Always remember, AM is always greater than or equivalent to. GM is always greater than or equivalent to HM. You can take one example or two examples we'll take. Suppose 2 and 8. Arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities divided by the number of the quantities. It is always greater than the nth root of product. 2 plus 8, 10 by 2. 5 is greater than 4. It is always greater than, there are 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. Always remember, arithmetic mean equivalent to geometric mean equivalent to harmonic mean. It is only when the variables are equal. Arithmetic mean is equivalent to geometric mean equivalent to harmonic mean. This is only true when the variables are equal. Only because there is a greater than or equivalent to, I can determine the minimum. X is greater than or equivalent to 2. That means X minimum is 2. X is less than or equivalent to 2. That means X maximum is 2. Because there is greater than or equivalent to symbol, I can determine minimum. Because there is less than or equivalent to symbol, I can determine maximum. Greater than or equivalent to or less than or equivalent to. AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Type E, which we could not finish it in session number 3, we will cover it up right now. One by one we will discuss all the problems. First one. First question, which is greater, 51 power 101 or 101 factorial? 101 factorial is nothing but product of all natural numbers from 1 to 101. Let me take it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 101. 101 factorial means product. Product means it will come in geometric mean. So we just now knew that there is no reciprocal here, so harmonic mean will not come. AM is greater than or equivalent to GM. AM stands for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. So first term is 1, last term is 101 divided by 2 is greater than or equivalent to, total 101 terms are there, 101th root of 1 into 2 into 3 till 101. 102 by 2 is 51. 51 power 101 is, it cannot be equivalent to because the numbers are different. Only if the numbers are same, I will get an equal to sign. So this will not come. This will equivalent to will not come. Equivalent to will not come. AM is greater than GM. So 51 power 101 is always greater than 101 factorial. I hope the first problem is clear. Right? 51 power 101 is always greater than 101 factorial. Once you understand A, B and C are very easy. B. 251 power 501 or 501 factorial. Take all the natural numbers from 1 to 3 till 501. Why am I taking from 1 to 3 to 501? Right? Product of all these things will give you 501 factorial. Arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is first term plus last term by 2 is greater than geometric mean is 501th root of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 501. 502 by 2, 251. 251 power 501 is always greater than 501 factorial. 501 factorial. I hope the second one is also clear. Very simple idea. AM is always greater than GM. AM is always greater than GM. Third one. 15.5 power 30 or 30 factorial. So it is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 till 30, it is 30 factorial. So I took all the distinct natural numbers from 1 to 30. AM is greater than GM. Arithmetic mean is first term plus last term by 2 is always greater than geometric mean is 301th root of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 30. 31 by 2 is 15.5. 15.5 power 30 is always greater than 30 factorial. So all the option First is greater than the second term. Very, very good question where you can compare the powers because of this concept. AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Second question, which is greater 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. Reciprocal is there. So I will make use of harmonic mean. Take the numbers as 1001, 1002, 1003 and so on up to 3001. AM greater than HM. Arithmetic mean greater than harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but first term plus last term by 2 divided by 2 greater than. Harmonic mean is given by n by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 and so on up to 1 by an greater than 2001 when divided by 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001. This will get cancelled. So this will be 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 is greater than 1. Beautiful question. 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 till 1 by 3001 is greater than 1. 19 over 20 over 21. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 10. Sum is given. He is asking for the reciprocal. Sum will come in arithmetic mean. Reciprocal will come in harmonic mean. Relationship is AM greater than or equivalent to HM. AM is nothing but sum of the quantities by number of the quantities greater than or equivalent to. Harmonic mean is n by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a plus b plus c is 10. So this will become 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. It is greater than or equivalent to 9 by 10. It is greater than or equivalent to 9 by 10. I hope it is clear. This is method 1. Directly you can do method 2. Method 2, make variables equal. Make variables equal. So what you can do is A equivalent to B equivalent to C, 3A equivalent to 10, A equivalent to 10 by 3. 1 by 10 by 3 plus 1 by 10 by 3 plus 1 by 10 by 3. Answer is 9 by 10. I hope the idea is clear. In case if any of your friend is not comfortable in maxima and minima, write our progressions and he want to learn concepts, I strongly suggest all the viewers who are watching to kindly share the class link with as many of your friends as possible. If they are nocturnals and if they want to learn in the midnight at night 11:15. 9 by 10. Next one. Another question. AB plus BC plus AC is 24. AM is greater than or equivalent to GM. So arithmetic mean is AB plus BC plus AC divided by 3 greater than or equivalent to GM is GM of n number C is nth root of AB into BC into AC. 24 by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABC whole square. This is 8. 8 cube greater than or equivalent to ABC whole square. So ABC is less than or equivalent to square root of 512. So this is nothing but ABC is less than or equivalent to 16 root 2. Less than or equivalent to means maximum value is 16 root 2. Maximum value is 16 root 2. I hope 22nd question. I hope it is clear. 23rd. If A is a positive real number, find the minimum value for 8 plus A into 13 plus A divided by A plus 4. This is the expression. The best way to solve the minimum value for a rational function is let the denominator is equivalent to K. K plus 4 is equivalent to K. So this will become K plus 4 into K plus 9 divided by K. So these are nothing but k square plus 13k plus 36 divided by k. So these k plus 13 plus 36 by k. Apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM for this one. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So this will be k plus 36 by k by 2 greater than or equivalent to root of k into 36 by k. 6 2s are 12. So k plus 36 by k greater than or equivalent to 12. Minimum value is 12. 12 plus 13 is 25. 12 plus 13 is 25. I hope the concept is clear. Make the denominator as equivalent to another variable. Let a plus 4 equivalent to k. K plus 4 into k plus 9 divided by k. K square plus 13k plus 36. K plus 13 plus 36 by k. Apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. K plus 36 by k by 2 greater than or equivalent to k into 36 by k. K cancel 12. 12 plus 13 is 25. Next, another beautiful question, sir. All different varieties of questions. If A is greater than 0, find the minimum value for 96a cube plus 9 by 2a square. Minimum value means you will get a numerical value. Idea is to eliminate a. A square a cube. 3 LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. That means they will meet at a power 6. Let us try to make it a power 6. Divide this into two parts. 48a cube plus 48a cube. Divide this into three parts. 3 by 2a square plus 3 by 2a square plus 3 by 2a square. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. This will become 96a cube plus 9 by 2a square divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 greater than or equivalent to fifth root of 48a cube into 48a cube whole square into 3 by 2a square whole cube. A power 6, a power 6 cancel. So answer is nothing but greater than or equivalent to fifth root of 48 square into 3 cube by 2 cube into 5. You try to solve this one, you will get the answer. 48 is 2 power 4 into 3. So this 48 square will become 2 power 8 into 3 square. 2 power 8 into 3 square means a 2 power 8 by 2 power 3 is a 2 power 5. Fifth root of 2 power 5 into 3 power 5 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Divide this into two parts. Divide this into two parts. Divide this into three parts. You will get this answer. If I divide this into two parts and if I divide this into three parts, a power 6, a power 6 will get cancelled. 24, I hope it is clear. Another model. 25th. From positive real numbers A, B, C, D, 4 distinct combinations of 3 numbers are chosen. Out of 4 numbers, I selected any 3 numbers. 4C1 is 4. 4 numbers I will get. What are that numbers? A, B, C, D. Select any 3. A, B, C, A, B, D, B, C, D and A, C, D. What is that it given? The sums are S1. A plus B plus C is S1. A plus B plus D is S2. B plus C plus D is S3. A plus C plus D is S4. So now apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. AM is A plus B plus C by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABC. A plus B plus D by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABD. B plus C plus D by 3 greater than or equivalent to cube root of BCD. A plus C plus D by 3 greater than or equivalent to cube root of ACD. This is S1, S2, S3, S4. If I multiply S1 into S2 into S3 into S4 is greater than or equivalent to 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 81 into cube root of ABCD whole cube. What is ABCD? 5. 81 5s are, answer is 405. A very, very beautiful question where I am using AM greater than or equivalent to GM. Again I am explaining. There are 4 numbers ABCD. I selected 3 numbers. 4C3 is 4C1 which is 4. That numbers are ABC, ABD, BCD and ACD. I added the numbers A plus B plus C, A plus A, B plus D, B plus C plus D and A plus C plus D. I call them as S1, S2, S3, S4. I used AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So these S1 greater than S2, S3, S4. S1 into S2 into S3 into S4. 81 into 5 is 405. 25th, I hope it is clear. 26th, if A into B into C into D is 1, what is the minimum value of 1 plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C? You can do it in 2 methods. Method 1, AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So 1 plus A by 2 is greater than or equivalent to root of 1 into A. 1 plus B by 2 is greater than or equivalent to 1 into B. 1 plus C by 2 greater than or equivalent to 1 into C. 1 plus D by 2 greater than or equivalent to 1 into D. If I multiply all this, 1 plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C into 1 plus D, it is greater than or equivalent to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 16th root of ABCD which is 1. So greater than or equivalent to 16, minimum value is 16. You don't need to do all this. Method 2, directly minimum will be when the variables are equal. A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to do 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is 16. Directly you will get this answer. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next one, 27th one. Please put a star mark on this question. A power 4 into B square is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 4. Find the minimum value of 3A plus 5B. 3A plus 5B. Degree of A is 1. Degree of A is 4. Divide into 4 parts. 3A by 4. 3A by 4. 3A by 4. 3A by 4. Degree of B is 1, degree of B is 2. 5B by 2 plus 5B by 2. Now apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. You will easily get the answer. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. If I add all this, this will be 3A plus 5B. Total how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. Greater than or equivalent to 6th root of 3A by 4 multiplied 4 times 3 power 4 by 4 power 4 into A power 4. 5B by 2 multiplied 2 times 5 square by 2 square into B square. So 3A plus 5B is greater than or equivalent to 6 into 6th root of 3 power 4 by 4 power 4 into 5 square by 2 square into 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 4. This is 2 power 8, 2 power 10, 3 power 4, 3 power 6, 5 power 2, 5 power 6. So what all I got? 6 into 6th root of I think 3 power 4, 3 power 2, 3 power 6, 5 power 6 divided by 2 power 8, 2 power 10, 2 power 6, all will go away. So 6 into 3 into 5 by 2. This is the answer. I hope it is clear. Idea is degree of A in the question is 1. Here it is 4. Divide into 4 parts. Here it is 1. Divide into 2 parts. Idea clear? 27th. Very, very easy question if you know the logic. Next, another beautiful question. What is the minimum value for 49 secant square theta plus 64 cosecant square theta? Theta is greater than 0. 49 secant square theta can be written as tan square theta. Cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. 49 plus 64 is 113 plus 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta. 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta. Apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So this will be 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta by 2 greater than or equivalent to root of 49 tan square theta into 64 cot square theta. Cancel, cancel. Root 49 is 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 2s are 112. So 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta is greater than or equivalent to 112. 112 plus 113. Answer is 225. Answer is 225. This entire minimum value is 112. 112 plus 113 is 225. You don't need to do all this. Y is, if it is a square secant square theta plus b square cot square theta, y minimum is nothing but a plus b whole square. Directly you will get the answer. If y is a square secant square theta plus b square cot square theta, y minimum will be a plus b whole square. 49 is 7 square, 64 is 8 square, 7 plus 8 is 15 square, which is nothing but 225. Idea clear? If the expression is of the form a square secant square theta plus b square cot square theta, y minimum will be a plus b whole square. Similarly, it is 4 square and it is 5 square. So y minimum will be 4 plus 5, 9 square. Answer is 81. Y minimum is 81. This model also I think it is clear. Next one. What is the minimum value for the expression x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 which is greater than 0? Add 1 and subtract 1. X square plus 1 by plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1. Variable and its reciprocal. Minimum value is 2. So 2 minus 1. Y minimum is nothing but 1. Y minimum is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear. Y minimum it is nothing but 1. Idea clear, right? 30th question. Another beautiful question. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. AC is equivalent to 2. BC is equivalent to 1. This x we don't know. This is A. So cos angle A, it will be x square plus 2 square minus 1 square divided by 2 into x. So cos A is nothing but x square plus 3 divided by 4x. Cos A is nothing but 1 by 4 into x plus 3 by x. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So this will be x plus 3 by x by 2 is greater than or equivalent to root 3. So x plus 3 by x is greater than or equivalent to 2 root 3. So cos A is greater than or equivalent to 2 root 3 by 4. cos A is greater than or equivalent to root 3 by 2. Minimum angle, it is nothing but 30 degrees. Cos 30 is only root 3 by 2. Another beautiful question. By using cosine ratio, you can find out the answers very fast. X square plus 2 square. I think this cosine rule is something which you know it already. Cos theta is the sum of the squares of the sides minus the square of the side opposite to it divided by 2 into product of the sides where the cosine angle is formed. Cos A is x square plus 3 plus 4x. Different varieties of solving a question for AM, GM and HM which we did it from 19th to 30th. Last variety in maxima minima, miscellaneous problems in maxima or minima. This kind of questions are often coming in various management exam and other exams. 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. 31 is less than 32 power 11. 32 is 2 power 5 power 11. 5 11s are 55. 2 power 55 is less than 2 power 56. 2 power 56 is 2 power 4 power 14. 16 is less than 17. So therefore 31 power 11 is less than 17 power 14. I hope the idea is clear. Very easy question if you just understand that the bases both are nearer to power of 2. 31 is less than 32, 32 is 2 power 5 power 11, 2 power 55 less than 2 power 56, 2 power 4 power 14, 16 is less than 17. Another question, 2 power 3 power 100, 2 power 3 power 100, 3 square power 100, 18 less than 9. 8 is less than 9. I hope it is clear. Second one, make the powers same. Make the powers same. Third question, 2 power 40 or 3 power 28. Take the HCF of 40 and 28 which is 4. So which is 2 power 10 power 4 and it is 3 power 7 power 4. This is 1024 power 4. 3 power 7 is 3 power 5 into 3 square which is 243 into 9 which is 272087 which is nothing but 2087 power 4. I hope the idea is clear. Question number C. Question number D. 50 power 50 or 41 power 40, 51 power 49. So these, if x equivalent to 50 power 50 and y equivalent to 51 power 49, if I make y by x, this is nothing but 51 power 49 divided by 50 power 50. This is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 50 power 50 into 1 by 51. There is one concept, 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. Always lies from 2 to 3. 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. This lies from 2 to 3. 2 to 3 divided by 51. That means y by x is less than 1. That means y is less than x. That means y is less than x. X is 50 power 50, y is 51 power 49. Y by x is 51 power 49 divided by 50 power 50. So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 50 power 50 into 1 by 51. 1 plus 1 by x power x is nothing but, it ranges from 2 to 3. 2 to 3 divided by 51. 2 to 3 divided by 51 is less than 1. Y by x is less than 1. So answer is y less than x. 9345679, if I call it as x square. So these are nothing but x minus 1 and it is nothing but x plus 1. X square minus 1 is always less than x square. So therefore 9345678 into 9345680 is always less than 9345679 square. I hope the idea is clear. Take the least value as x. X minus 1 into x plus 1. X square plus minus 1 is always less than x square. Idea clear? Another very important concept, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. ABXY are greater than 0. Mod AX plus BY is always less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of X square plus Y square. Please write this Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Mod of AX plus BY is always less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of X square plus Y square. If I square it and put everything into left hand side, I will get AX minus BY square greater than or equivalent to 0. These 15 less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of 3 square plus 5 square. So root of A square plus B square greater than or equivalent to 3. So minimum value of this expression is 3. If you know this inequality, you don't need to use coordinate geometry methods and directly do this method. Mod of AX plus BY less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of X square plus Y square. Next one, same concept. Mod of 5a plus 12b is less than or equivalent to root of 5 square plus 12 square into root of a square plus b square. This mod of 5a plus 12b is less than or equivalent to 13. This is also 13. Mod 5a plus 12b is less than or equivalent to 169. Mod x less than or equivalent to a. We discussed in the second class, x lies from minus a to a. X lies from minus a to a. Minus 169 less than or equivalent to 5a plus 12b less than or equivalent to 169. So minimum value is minus 169. Minimum value is minus 169. I hope you understood all the models. Mod 5a plus 12b less than or equivalent to 5 square plus 12 square into root of a square plus b square. Please have a look at entire maxima and minima, all the varieties. Just have a look at it.